Okay guys, over here in this water, I've salted it. Of course, use as much salt as you want, guys. Y'all know I say salt too much. Then we're gonna cook some egg noodles, and it says on the package to cook them 9 to 11 minutes. We're only gonna cook them about 8 once we put them in, so that they'll be al dente, because then we're gonna finish cooking them when we add the other stuff to them, okay? We'll be back. Now guys, our water is boiling, so we're gonna put this whole pack of noodles in here. 12 ounce pack of noodles. Then we're gonna, like I said, I'm gonna set my timer for 8 minutes, and then we'll take them up, drain them, and then put them back in, and then we'll do all the stuff to them to make them something else. All right. Guys, we've got our noodles drained. Get them back in our pot. We're gonna put, if you had butter, put butter, but all I have is margarine. We're gonna put the margarine. We're gonna put a little bit of milk. That's probably about, we'll start with about a half a cup. I'm rubbing the bottom, make sure my noodles aren't stuck, because they did get a little stuck when I put them in there. Okay, let's put a little bit more milk in there. About another 1/4 cup. We're going to put cream of mushroom. We're going to get our lights fixed one day, guys. I don't know when. I have lights sometime at my house, but Sonny doesn't always. A light to make things brighter. Okay, I haven't used the whole can. Almost, but not the whole can. We're just having almost like beef stroganoff, but no beef today. Our beef is going to be chicken today. So then I'm going to add, let's say, a 1/4 cup, a half a cup. Let's just try that and see what we get. About a half a cup of sour cream. It's just kind of like stroganoff noodles, guys. We're just going to cook it low. One, we've got our milk in there, but for another, we want to get our noodles finished softened. So now that we've got it all mixed up, I'm going to keep it on about a 4, keep it stirred, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, here's our noodles, nice and creamy. I'm going to turn them off. They're ready, good and soft, and all the things, so they're ready, waiting on lunch. But listen, I got to thinking, some people don't like cream of mushroom. You could do the same thing with cream of chicken. Be just as good with some sour cream and the cream of chicken and the noodles. You'd still have a creamy noodle, okay? Love you.